if we look at humans and nature, it's pretty safe to say that we separate those two things. Like humans and nature aren't part of the same thing. You know, that's kind of saying that humans are unnatural. So, what do you get when humans and nature come together? Usually it doesn't end well for nature. Now, why is this? Why do humans have an increased disregard for nature? You know, a basic respect for nature. Why are we becoming so disconnected from it? Here's an example. About a week ago, hundreds of tourists and tour guides swarmed a protected sea turtle habitat. Okay. And they pretty much destroyed a lot of nests. And because, you know, these turtles came ashore to lay their eggs, and now you have people standing around everywhere keeping them from laying their eggs, all the while tramping around, destroying nests, taking photos, taking selfies. I mean, the parents would even put their little children on these fucking tortoises to take a picture, because, you know, oh look, this is not something you see every day. Let me take a photo with my child on top of this turtle. You know, it's this kind of behavior that paints a bleak picture of where we're heading. It is this lack of understanding and respect and a complete disregard that is the problem. So the question is, how does this happen in the first place? Who is to blame? Now we can blame technology, cell phone companies. You know, children grow up more and more disconnected from nature and more into technology. And yes, those things do play a factor, but ultimately, we are all responsible. They say children are blameless, which is true, because a lot what a child will become is dependent on the parents and the environment. So we need to teach our children to consider nature and to respect nature, because eventually they'll grow up and they'll be the next generation that will kind of decide in which direction humanity goes. So it is up to us as parents to guide these children because if we don't, I mean, the end result is kind of very predictable. It is predictable where a disregard of nature will lead to. It's already happening. And we can stop this. Let's do it right.